What? Open. Oh, open.
Yay.
Free.
Alright, you saw you gotta go home, okay?
Alright.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you guys.
Bye, Elmo.
See you later, John.
Bye, Bobby.
Bye, Elmo.
Wait.
What are you forgetting? Shoes and your favorite phone, too.
Wait. Yeah.
It was on the bed. I don't know if you grabbed it or not. He's finally free, and we are being kicked out of the house.
I don't know where my shoes are.
They probably were right here. How can you not find your shoes? Genius can't find the shoes. Oops.
Oh yeah, I had to take them off.
Alright. Been kicked out because Genius couldn't find the keys. That was hilarious.
Look at my ears.
Oh my
God, man. That hurts.
That's funny.
Well,
That much.
this one's worse.